Hey guys, I have been really inspired by the 60s lately, but wanted to create a little bit more of a wearable look for you guys, so make sure to subscribe if you haven't already. I have the huge privilege of being one of Ipsy's creators, so I'm going to be using some of the products that I got in this month's glam bag, so let's go ahead and get right into it. You guys know I love me some sheet masks. So this one is from Meg Cosmetics. It's called their Good Night PM Mask. So this is just going to nourish and revitalize your skin overnight. And you guys know my motto, a sheet mask a day keeps the Botox away. Then the next item I got is from Nip and Fab, and it's their Glycolic Scrub Fix. So this is great because it's going to clean out your pores, and it also kind of retextures your skin, resurfaces it so it feels nice and fresh for your makeup. And then I go in with a serum. This has been my favorite one from May Love Skincare. It's called the Glow Maker, and I just pat that right into my skin. For foundation today, I'm using the Estee Lauder Double Wear Nude, and I'm just using a beauty blender to apply that. It's really nice and thin, so it looks very natural, breathable, and it actually has an SPF 30, which is great. For concealer, I'm using the Bye Bye Under Eye Full Coverage concealer from It Cosmetics, and this is one of my favorites. I just put a little bit under the eye and then set that with some powder. Then I got this baked highlighter from Dirty Little Secret in my glam bag, and it's actually a darker shade. It's called Soda Pop, so I wanted to use it in the contour area, and it actually has such a blendable formula and a really, really beautiful glow to it, so I think it turned out really nice and I liked it a lot. Then I'm using some highlighting powder from Bobbi Brown and just a fan brush, and just gonna go on the tops of my cheekbones, every area that you want the sun to really hit and accentuate. So I just go ahead and I like to do a little bit above my forehead, tip of the nose, and then also in the Cupid's bow area. I really wanted to prep my lids for this eye look today, so I'm using the Too Faced Shadow Insurance Primer. Then I'm using the Chocolate Gold palette from them, and I'm going to start out with just a neutral shade, which is Rollin' in Dough, and I'm just going to pat that all over the lid. And then I'm going in with Cocoa Truffle, which is just like a neutral brown shade, and I'm just focusing that in the crease and then just blending that out. Next, for my glam bag, I got this Freematic eyeshadow mono from Dose, and it's in the shade Lola. These can actually be used wet or dry, so I'm using my setting spray, just getting my brush wet, and then you can just pat your brush into the shadow pan, and then place that right directly into the crease above the shadow that I already placed prior. And then I'm going back to the Too Faced palette and using the Live in Lavish. It's kind of this deeper purple shade, and these do have like a shimmer effect to them. And then for this part, you don't want to blend too much, you just want to give it a little bit more of a defined look. To fill in my brows, I'm using the Rodial Glam-O Brow pencil, and this has a really nice precision tip, so you can get in there and really mimic actual brow hairs. Next, I'm going in with the Too Faced Sketch Marker, which is a liquid liner, and it has a really, really fine tip, so you can do a perfect wing. And then the fun part is this lower lash line, so I'm going in with that deep purple shade again, and you can pull it out just a bit. Then using the liquid liner, I'm just creating short little lines in the lower lash line to create fullness and just give it that real 60s twiggy mod look. Then in my glam bag, I got the brand new Bad Gal Bang Mascara from Benefit Cosmetics. This is in Pitch Black, and it layers super easy so you can get tons of volume and bigger lashes. Then for my lips, I'm using the Contour Cosmetics Lip Kit Pencil in Juju. This is kind of like a peach nude. It's long lasting and cruelty free. So I'm just lining my lips with this. I don't like to overdraw too much. I just, again, like it to look a little bit more on the natural side, but it's completely up to you whether you want to overdraw or not. Then I'm going in with the Kokie Cosmetics Lip Veneer Cream Gloss in Unspoken. It's this really pretty mauve color that really complements this eye look. It has a really nice opaque and creamy formula. And then I'm going to top it off with the other item I got in my glam bag for lips, which is from Glossier. It's their Balm.com, and this is their coconut flavor. It's untinted, and it's going to be just really hydrating and conditioning, and this is just going to seal in moisture on your lips. Then I'm just going to finish off this look using the Galani setting spray. I've been really loving this. It's infused with aloe, so this is just going to lock in the look and help it last all day. Alright you guys, so this is the final look. You know my staple, I have to wear a hat. This hat's actually from a brand called Lack of Color. If you have not checked out their hats, you must. They're really, really dope. And I hope you guys really like this. I've just been inspired by, you know, some 60s, 70s vibes. Comment below, let me know your thoughts. Let me know what kind of looks you'd like me to do in the future. And I will see you guys really soon.